I get ya. I get ya. Hey, Fun, say something.
Come here. Come here. He's gonna get you.
I got you.
You get him. Get him. Get his toes. Get his toes. Get his feet. Get his toes. Get his toes. Get his. Get his. Get him, Toby. Get him. Yeah. Toby, go Papa car. Get Toby. Papa car. He's going Papa car. Get him. Get him. He's going Papa car. Get him. He's going Papa car. Toby's going Papa car. Come here. Get him. Get him, Fun. Get him. Get him, Fun. Go Papa car. Get him. Come back here.
So this is Christmas Eve.
Come here.
Kate and Grandma get her hair done.
Toby. Get him.
And this is the new house.
Get him. He's going Papa car. Get him. He's going Papa car. Get him. Get him. He's going Papa car. He's going Papa car. He's gonna get you. He's gonna go Papa car. Get him. Back up. Get him. Get him. Get him, Fun. Get him. Get him, Fun. Get him, Fun.
She is so
Get him, Fun, you. Say some tape, Toby.
I know.
Get him, Fun.
Have to get that.
Tell him you want to go Papa car. Tell him you want to go Papa car. Go tell him. Go tell Toby. Go tell Toby. Here's Toby. Right here. Tell him you want to go Papa car. Tell him right here. Papa car. Tell him. Tell him you want to go Papa car.
Hey! Hey!
Get the ball. Get it, Toby. Get it. Get the ball. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Toby. Get the ball. What? Get the ball. Get the ball, Fun. She wants her picture taken. Look at her. She knows what it's doing. Here, Toby. Take her. Can you get a picture of her when you're feeding her? Get behind me. Oh. She's sitting up. Get behind me. Here, over here. Let me get over here by you.
She's hungry now.
Get up. Get up. Sit up. Sit up. Toby. Toby. Tob.
I already got, yeah, I see.
This. You didn't get this.
I got that.
She wasn't doing that one.
Yeah, he got it earlier.
Okay, then don't bother anymore. Yep, I'll come on. I'll come on. Yeah. You're made it for you.
Did you see on TV about the explosion, the U-Haul that had the explosions on it? Supposedly, it had the 10 and the
15 block. Yeah, I heard on Cola.
You've seen the cars were backed up for 3 miles.
On what freeway, honey?
Right up here.
Well, so what happened? What'd they do?
Well, they finally discovered there wasn't any.
What'd they say they had? Explosions?
There wasn't. Uniball.
So what can I tell? What's his name? Huh?
I don't care.
Well, you know, he doesn't talk to me much anyway.
He does talk to you. And he did buy you.
Well, nobody tells me anything, you know? I'll just give him my money. We tried to get some stuff, but they were either closed or were they just out, Toby?
Yes.
What'd they say?